In this video, we're going to learn how to decorate text. So in order to do some text decoration, there are several properties that we can use. And let's start with the Facebook div and use the text decoration property. So there are several choices we can go for. So if we go for the underline property, we can see that the text is underlined. Okay. Also, we can use the font weight property, and we can either use a value or we can just set it to bold, for instance. And we can see now that the text in the Facebook div has become bold. Okay. There are other properties for text decoration. So if we go to the Apple div, let's try again the text decoration. And this time let's set it to overline. And now you can see a line on top of the text. Also, let's use the font style property. And let's go for italic. Okay, so now you can see that the text appears in italic, and also we can use the font size property to set the size of the text. And let's go for 1.5 m. So again, 1 m is 16 pixels. So 1.5 is the equivalent of 24 pixels. All right. Now let's move to the Microsoft div and try out some other text decoration properties. We can try letter spacing. So basically we're setting space between letters, and we can use a value. So we can, if we set that to 10 pixels, that means that the space between one letter and the next one is 10 pixels. Also, we can use the text shadow property. And we're going to need to use 3 values here. So if we set that to 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 3 pixels, and then we can use a color for the shadow. Basically, these values are referring, so first one is referring to the horizontal shadow, and then the next one is the vertical shadow. The third one is optional, and it's referring to the blur radius. So if we want to get rid of that one, we can. It's only optional, right? And then this value is going to be the color. Let's change the color and just have something that stands out better. Let's try this. Anyway, so that's how the text shadow works. And one last property, just to finish, we're going to try the text indent. And we can use that to set an indent to the text. And let's set that to 40 pixels, for instance. Here we go. So this is it regarding the text decoration. In the next video, we will learn how to align text.